Hi guys, good afternoon to everyone. This is Prakash here from Armani Exchange. So from the movie Bhag Milka Bhag, it is really a very exciting and I really like the movie. So this is the movie I learned about the motivation and the inspiration. That to follow our goals to our life. And one thing that I must say that from the movie I've just learned, if someone that make a that strong willpower so that they can achieve something which is bigger, they can easily achieve their goals. So because I'm saying these things because I have seen that Milka is a true inspiration, and because that at that time that Milka was belonging, there was a no coach for him, and that no rewards for his efforts, and no job security to keep training, but only one thing that was a strong will, and that really made him bigger. So from the movie I have just learned about the strengths and also overcome the weak areas. So one more thing I must say you that we shouldn't get involved on argues with other, and rather than we have to focus on our goals and on our work. So we all the time we have to be simple and subtle. That's also that makes you very that simple, that makes you very smooth for your that life. And then the few lessons I have just noticed from the movie, I have learned from the movie. That number, let me just talk about number one, that is the goal setting. So that after failing to qualifying for the Melbourne Olympics, he goes to his coach and ask him to write it down the world record for the 400-meter race. So his coach write it down on a tissue paper, that is 45.8, and this paper remains with Milka till he knows that he can achieve it. Excuse me. So he also writes that digit that next to his god, and so whenever he just prays and his goal in front of his eyes. So this is a reassurance for all who are made to write their goals and stick it in their rooms. So always have to visible, always have to like keep visible the goals, and most importantly that should be measurable and the specific. So whatever from these things what I have just learned, that whatever I have just planned in my mind to achieve that goals, I have to be at that label. So what I have to do, I have to write it on a paper, I have to write it on a diary, and I have to make a statement of particular time period that through that time I will achieve that things. All the time I have to just look at the paper, I have to look at the diary whenever there is any loopholes or whenever the weaknesses comes on my path of success. And now the second point or the second lesson I have observed, that's a visualization. So I have noticed in the movie that that every time before the race, Milkha would visualize his race path, which would allow him to that estimate his race time. So he did it before the race when he took his position on the running block, and it really a psychologist emphasize and the importance of your mental rehearsal, and before doing something, before doing some task, or before the event. So similarly in life also we have to visualize all these things, whatever we just said in our mind, whatever we just said in our hearts, and we have to make a path on it. So it also helps to refocus those things, refocus your strength, that you can make more strength, you need to make more strong of your strength, and you need to overcome from your weak areas. So and the third lesson what I have just observed, that's a motivation. So in the certain instances of from the beginning of the movie, that Milka Singh's motivation is just that different. So in the beginning his motivation is clearly extrinsic, to have two glasses of milk and two eggs in the army camp, but later on the motivation turns internal, and feelings of patriotism and mastery to lead him to become the flying Sikh. So internalizing of your goals and intrinsic of your motivation always lasts longer to achieve something, to achieve your goals in your life. And now I am talking about the dedication and the discipline, what I have just observed in this from this movie. So after failing to qualify for the Melbourne Olympics, he internalizes his goals and he started working on it. So the amount of dedication that you can see, that he doesn't stop his training in rains. So that's the dedication he just started, that's the dedication he just put on his work, put on his training. And if I talk about the discipline, he loses his discipline when he is in Australia and drinks beer and get late for training. But after that day, the level of discipline which he maintains, and that's really helps him to change his, that physique, and get the required potential to get closer to the world record. So this discipline, about the punctuality of your work, about the timings of your work, about how you maintain it, and how you are doing on your day to day basis, so that makes you more and more stronger, that makes you more and more closer to my goals. And that few key points what I have just noticed from this movie, that's that focus and the will and the hard work. So focus on your work, on what I'm doing, what we are doing on day to day basis, and willpower to achieve that, willpower to win that, willpower to will make him some bigger, and that hard work. So hard work is necessary to achieve these two things, like that focus and the willpower. So on your daily day to day work, whatever we are just working, so we need to do hard work on it. We need to do keep our training on and on for these things. So from this all the lessons, now I'm just making one statement of my goal of my life, that I wanted to be a, like, successful store manager, and that exact date would be like December 31st and 2020. So this is the goal statement I'm just mentioning, and this is the exact date I'm just mentioning. ठीक है, I'm just mentioning. So this is the time that I have just set in my mind, I have just set in my heart, so that whatever the points, whatever the lessons I have just discussed with you, this all things I will implement on you, I will implement on myself. Thank you so much.